Hi, my name is Roger Wensing. I'm an instructor in the machine tool and CNC technician program here at LTC. I've been teaching here at LTC for a little over 20 years. And previously to this, I worked in the trade for about 20 years as a machinist or a tool and die maker, doing the same things that we teach you. Incidentally, I also went through this program many years ago, so I'm very familiar with how it used to go compared to how we do it now. Machine tool and CNC technician. CNC stands for computer numerical control. That is taking numerical values and turning it into a program that the control knows which direction it moves. So when you see the acronym CNC is computer numerical control. The pay rate for the Northeast Wisconsin Manufacturing Alliance is increasing because of the demands for the trade and for CNC operators. Right now, the average is about $24 an hour. Another reason that this is a very good program to come in. Today's day and age, people are busy with jobs and families and their lives, and we hear they would like to go to school, but they just don't know it can fit in their schedule. Starting this next year, we're going to be doing what's called CBE. That's called competency-based education. Competency-based education is essentially you prove your competency or your skill in that particular competency, and you can move on to the next class. So, as opposed to classes where there would be 10, 15 people in a classroom and everyone would move at the same pace, now if you're more advanced and you really understand the information that's there, you can progress at a faster pace. And that can be very helpful for some that want to excel and move at a faster pace than what normally happens. The other thing that we have is flexible hours. So the flexible hours, flexible schedule, the shop is open from 8 in the morning till 8 at night, Monday through Thursday. What you will need to be successful in this program, especially now that we are going into the CBE model, is you need to be somewhat self-motivated. Because we're going to have people starting at different times and at different places within the curriculum, you need to be pushing yourself. You here will be in a standard classroom. You may have an instructor determining the pace of the class. But now with this model, it's really up to the student. So one of the things to prepare for is, though it's flexible, you need to be self-motivated individually. This is a really good trade that if you like working with your hands, building things, making things, this is a great trade for you. If you like attention to detail, if you like to do problem solving, those are all great attributes to being successful in this program. Here we do a lot of hands-on work, setting up machines, making parts, measuring them, making sure they're correct, writing the programs to make sure that the machine does the correct tool path. All of that has to do with that attention to detail and problem solving and critical thinking. So if any of these qualities fit you, feel free to contact LTC for more information on the CNC technician program.